Welcome to Cobram Estate, where everything is grown, picked, pressed and bottled right here in Australia. This is our nursery. Take a look around. It is amazing, isn't it? Now, have a look to your left. Hi, I'm Leandro, and I'm an agricultural engineer and a technical director here. With horticulture, it's all about the control and management of your inputs. With scientific precision, with technology and with passion, we do our best for the greatest benefits of our products. This is my favorite part. Now have a look to your right. All under our quality control, over 4 to 6 hour period, we pick our olives, deliver them to our plant for crushing, and turn them into fresh extra virgin olive oil. This extremely fast process ensures we preserve the oil's flavor, freshness, and most importantly, health benefits. Welcome to our lab. Please take a look all around. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest grade of all olive oils and is the only mainstream cooking oil that is naturally produced from the juice of a fruit. All other olive oil grades, such as pure or extra light, have been chemically refined, and they are clearly worse than extra virgin olive oil. This is because during the refining process, most health components present in extra virgin olive oil have been removed. In the words of key olive oil researcher Dr. Mary Flynn, published research shows that no other food comes close to extra virgin olive oil for the prevention and treatment of chronic disease. Extra virgin olive oil is truly a unique food. It is rich in natural olive antioxidants and many other healthy plant components that we analyze here in our lab. There is a large body of medical evidence to show that those healthy plant components, together with the rich monounsaturated fatty acid profile of olive oil, helps for the treatment and prevention of heart conditions, inflammation, weight management, and metabolic syndrome. Additionally, Cobram Estate extra virgin olive oil is naturally free from trans fats, which is a type of unhealthy fat that you want to avoid in your diet. Remember, if it is not extra virgin olive oil, it doesn't have the same health benefits. So check for the Australian certified extra virgin grade symbol on the pack. This ensures that the oil really is extra virgin olive oil. Pressed within 4 to 6 hours from the fruit being picked, Cobram Estate extra virgin olive oil is the fresh and natural juice from the olives. No chemicals, no heat used, preserving all the natural antioxidants from the olives. The higher the quality of extra virgin olive oil, the healthier and tastier it is.